Hi, I am going to be doing vlogs for the next 3 weeks or so. I don't think they'll be daily, but they'll be, I don't know, more than weekly, that kind of thing. And I am at Alex's friend's house currently, so I thought that I would do a test vlog to see how I'm going to do these things, and basically so I'm not going into it blind, because I should never go into anything blind because I suck at that. Hello, cute dog. Hello, cute dog. That is the dog. That is the entire reason why I'm doing this test vlog. It's to record a cute dog. It's not for practice. It's to record a cute dog. Hello, cute dog. Yes. Okay. Cut to cute dog. Hello, cute. Oh, you found a stick. Ah, you're so cute. This is Bouncer. Ah. He is a bouncy doggo. He is a good doggo. Get the stick. Yay. I feel like I should clarify that this is not my doggo, unfortunately. This is the doggo of Alex's friend. For now, anyway, I am planning to steal him and raise him as my own. Hey, Bouncer, you like sticks? Get the stick. Don't bother bringing it back or anything. No, that's fine. I'll just come to you. It's not like you're a dog with infinite energy or anything. Hey, Bouncer! Can you do tricks? Are you a smart doggo? Let's find out. Oh. Okay then. Bye. We have left the doggo, unfortunately, and now we are at IKEA. Woo! Yeah. There was an IKEA. Hi, Alex. Bloody millennial, she says while vlogging. Anyway, yeah, there was an IKEA near her place, so we decided to go here. Yep, that was about it. So, got an IKEA now. Transition. 2 photos. Generic photo. Generic photo. More generic photos. That one's actually really pretty. Is that, can I buy $7? Nope. Ooh. Pretty. Oh my god, the pink and the grey and the white. This is my aesthetic. Yes, I need it. Wait, what? No. Why is... Who would pay $15 for an evil Viking gnome? I like the evil gnome. It watches from a distance on the beautiful couch.
This is no eyes.
It doesn't watch from a distance. It feels. It knows. Save us, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're our only hope. Oh, what do I spot? Have I spotted something? It's a cat pillow. Man, this person really likes John Gray's Mars and Venues. Oh my god, cat curtains, I need them. Oh my god, there's a big node. They're multiplying. Okay, so this is like actually Max from Life is Strange's like dream bedroom. It's like even got the deer. And the butterfly, oh my god. Da 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 da. What in the... That's not how you get ice cream. I think someone's very confused. What evil monstrosity is this? Who would do such a thing? I brought balance to the IKEA shop. You're welcome, IKEA. I've done you a great service. Gnome! 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 So many gnomes! What is going on? So there are some gnomes over here, and that is like children laughing and stuff. That's a sound thing of children laughing just above the creepy gnomes. What is going on? I think this IKEA is cursed. I'm pretty sure that's a shrine. We need to get out. We need to get out of here right now.
Can't bear this.
This picture just can't bear to be apart. The evil strikes again. It's time for me to regain good and balance to this world. There we go. God damn, is nothing sacred in this freaking store. Just. Okay. So many memories of joy. The kids section at IKEA. What evil is this? Okay. It's fine again. Egg thing. You close. And then it spins. Shut up and take my money.
Do you still fit, Emily?
Yep.
Bye.
Yay. Let's buy it. Teenage girl with blue hair terrorizes kids section by vlogging. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a little bed house. There's the vines and everything. Oh my god, I wish I had one of these. I wish I had one now. Ah! Hello there. I am a teenager. Oh my gosh, it's a pencil, but a massive one, like a pillow that would go great at the end of my bed. Oh wait, dreams destroyed. God damn it. Forgot the spoons, 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 forgot the spoons. So I got like 4 or 5 hours sleep last night, and I've been playing with a dog really actively all day. So I literally just looked over at these straws, pointed them and went, ooh, spoons! I'm so tired. Yep, this is where I'm staying. See you guys. This is my home now. I live here.
Here's the bag.
Just want some spoons.